Hi everyone, it's Donna from Spaceman Paper Crafts. A while ago I showed a video showing my prize package from the lovely Carolyn from Crafting with Wine, and I said I'd show you when I got around to doing it how I do the swatches for my book. So this is for the 24 piece real brush pens from Arteza. Okay, so I've got this kind of journal that I made, and in it I have my various swatches for different mediums. These are my zigs, and then obviously I've left space. What's that? That's my Copics, my Spectrum Noirs, what else have I got in here? They're my Kuretake Kansai watercolours, and then I'm now going to do my Arteza. I've just had the shock of my life. My cat, or one of my cats, had just shot out from underneath the craft desk and frightened the life out of me. I didn't even know she was in there. So okay, so what I will tell you about these pens is that there are two trays in the 24. They don't have names. I've looked all over the pens and I can't see a way to you know, differentiate between the pens. There's no sort of colour code or anything. So what I did was I got my label maker out, and I made it really simple for myself and just picked a colour code that I could understand. Sorry if you can hear noise in the background, that is my cat now climbing up shelves and all sorts in the craft room. So yeah, so I've done it basically very simple. So P1 would be pink 1, pink 2, pink 3, PP1 is purple, and so on. So I've done that so I know which colours I'm using and what colours to label my swatches. So I also use a 1-inch circle punch. This is a Stampin' Up one, and basically what I do is I'll show you now with the first one. So this is the P1. So what I do is I colour on its own, just a blob there, and then I do another one on the side. I should have used the reverse side, it's smoother. And then on that one I bring in water and mix the colour with some water. I'll just clean off my water brush. And then what I do before I do anything else, I'll just quickly write underneath P1. So that would be the first colour without and that one with, so you can see the difference. So then what I do after that is I just get my punch, and it doesn't matter if you've coloured in a whole inch, 9 times out of 10 I don't, and then I just punch this one out, and then when this is dry, it's not quite dry yet, but I'll do it anyway, punch it out, and then basically I'll just get some glue. I'll take the first one and just glue that down. My glue has decided to stop working. Okay, I have to clean that out in a second. I'm going to just, I'll use a bit of tape for now. So I'll tape that down to there, and then tape this one sort of next to it there, because I'm going to try and hopefully be able to get 4 on each page. So that's P1 on its own and P1 with water. So I'm just going to mark this up now. P1 and then P1 with water. And then I'm going to do exactly the same with all of the colours that I've got in this 24 pack, and then I'll be back to show you the finished swatch pages. Okay guys, I'm back. So I've done all my swatches for the pens that I've got, and then what I like to do, if I can show you on here, is you can get this clear, I mean, I don't know whether you guys used to do it, but we used to do it at school. We have to cover our books, and it's just like a clear sticky back sort of plastic thing, and because you can see the glue tends to make the edges stick up a bit, and I don't want to catch it on anything, so I'm going to put some of this over the swatches. So I've got that's a small piece for the next page. So I think I've sort of got it right. That one would fit there better, I think. So basically all I'm going to do is take the backer off, and you can get this like really cheaply. I think I got this from the Works on a roll for like £2 or £3. It's not very expensive. So I like to get the bit started. Oh no, it's stuck over on that page, never mind. Okay, so I kind of like to get it started and make sure I've got it so that it covers, and then just smooth it down. Okay, and then that then seals down all your edges. And then if I've got the book out and I'm watercolouring or anything like that, it'll also protect it from water. So I'm just going to do the same thing with the other swatches now. That one's a little bit long, so I'm just going to trim this section off there. So I'm just going to carry on sealing these in, and then I'll come back at the end and show you when it's all finished. Okay, I'm back and I have covered everything with this sticky back plastic, and yeah, that's how I do my colour swatches. I always do it on watercolour paper because they are watercolour pens. Well, they're water based, so you can use them as watercolour pens. So you always get the best results on watercolour paper, I feel. So that's why I always do my swatches on watercolour paper for pens. For these paints, I wasn't too fussed really. For the zigs, yeah, I definitely do watercolour paper as well. So yeah, so this is a really great way, and all my colour mediums now are kept in this little journal. So I hope you enjoyed watching that, and I hope that's helped you figure out how to do your swatches. That's just the way I do them. You may have an easier way, you may have a more effective way, but that's just how I do them, and I like to keep them all together in this little journal. So thanks so much guys for watching, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Take care, bye for now.